What's up, YouTube? It's Bryan, back with Winning Edge Carwash. Shout out to all my Winning Edge lifestyle people. It's another beautiful day in sunny Florida. Like I said, sometimes when you have bad weather in Florida, car washing is a little bit slow the next couple of days, and it pick back up. Tomorrow, I actually got a couple things already scheduled for Monday. Today, I'm gonna do some store shopping or whatever. I don't know how much stuff I'm gonna buy. I know I gotta get some gloves and whatnot, but I'm gonna stop by the stores and grab that. Kind of have a leisurely Sunday and just hang out or whatever. Sometimes you need a day to just chill, collect your thoughts, relieve the stress, and just keep life going. But that's what we're gonna work on today. We actually headed to the city from the country, Gainesville, and see what the day brings. Get to it. Alright guys, we in Walmart. We getting ready to look at some of this stuff that I'll be using when I'm out detailing. There's some stuff that I need to actually buy for the truck that has broken, or stuff that I need to expand on. I'm gonna show y'all the little green pro right here. That's something that we use to extract the carpets and whatnot, and we don't need all the big crazy machines to do what we do, but still make the money with the machines that you see here. This machine actually is the one that you see the detail get used, so I use it too. All right, we're gonna show you another thing that we use. We actually in the detailing area at Walmart. This is where I got started at, you know what I'm saying? But still, I come here all the time because I feel like it might be something that I see, even though I barely use the stuff. Well, I do use the towels and stuff that here in Walmart, and they're out of them, man. It's definitely car wash season. Although I have a mobile detailing company that is the #1 detailing company, it's still a lot of y'all people like that detailing your own cars and whatnot. But I'm gonna tell you, even if you were to detail your own car, hopefully one day I have my own towel to promote to you. But I will show y'all what we do use that comes right out of Walmart. That's this baby right here. This is like the platinum drying towel. I don't need any today, but I thought about it when I came over here, and that thing right there, see, they out of them. That's the last one left. I probably should get one, but I'm the type of person, I be on a budget all the time. You have to be on a budget when you doing your business, because you'll keep spending money, It's always something that you can buy to improve your business. So that being said, if I don't need it, I don't really need the towel at the time. I want to grab it because I feel like it's the last one. Why not grab it? But I don't need it. I got a bunch of them in my box for what we got going on right now. So that's just another little tip for y'all. If y'all want the best way to dry your vehicle, you can use that. And then a lot of people, they don't approve of the drying blades, but I like the drying blades in the colder months, so I use this one as well. So it's pretty good. It's also a platinum blade. It came out of the labeling, but that's it right there. That's a drying blade. If you're in the colder temperatures and need to sling the water off, go ahead and grab the drying blade. As long as you don't put a lot of pressure on it and you make sure the car is still wet and whatnot, you're not gonna scratch the car. I haven't had any issues with buffing out scratches from using the drying blade or whatever. So hey, that's my opinion. That's the way I do things, and y'all can make y'all own judgment on that. So got these nice little brushes too that's out apparently for the wheels. I might have to try one of these out. Got the stiffer one. I like it. Man, I'm sure they work hard to get their products on Walmart shelf. Maybe one day Winning Edge Carwash will have theirs on the shelf too. Alright guys, I'm gonna show y'all another important thing to have in any business. And I know a lot of you guys are iPhone users, so you got AirPods and stuff like that, but I like to find me a good Bluetooth to put in my ear. I actually lost mine last night, so I'm in here spending $80 on my favorite Bluetooth from Jabra, because everybody can hear me. I can hear everybody whenever I'm at work around the loud engine noise. So this bad boy right here. Yup. So this is a good for all phones. I don't know how good the AirPods work because I'm an Android guy, so I'm always buying the Jabra. It's 80 bucks at Walmart, so I'm gonna go purchase another one so I can have it for this week, so I don't have to walk around trying to hold the phone to my ear. All right, guys, we're in the paint aisle, but from the paint aisle, what I like to get is these Venom Steel. I use different types of gloves and stuff like that, but these Venom Steel, the maximum grip industrial gloves, they don't break when I'm doing the car interiors, and that's what we need. Guys, it sucks to spend the money. These gloves are like 20 bucks, you might as well say $18.99. It definitely sucks to always have to buy gloves when you're in the detailing business, but you don't want to keep getting that dirt and stuff all up under your nails and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? You want to keep your hands protected. It keeps, you know, less germs from staying on your body or whatever, obviously. So it's always good to throw them gloves on. So these are ones that I like to use. There are some other ones like Harbor Freight that I will use in my business, but you know, I kind of like to stop one place. So today we're gonna stop at Walmart. I don't want to go way across town to Harbor Freight because it's on the other side of town for me. So this is what we got today.